Hi, today I will discuss how to request free workspace step by step in Oracle Application Express. So let's start. Okay, so on your internet browser, type apex.oracle.com, then press enter key. Okay, then we have here get started for free. Double click this tab. Okay, then scroll down your mouse. Then you will see here request for a free workspace. So double click request for a free workspace. Then you have now form. So you need to fill up important information. So type your first name, but my initial YouTube name, that is Math and Computer Tutorial, so MNC. And then I will assign my last name as tutorial. But for you, you can type your real name here, your first name and your last name. Okay. So, and then provide your valid email for confirmation later of your workspace, approved workspace. So I have here my email address. So type your own email address. And then next, you have to provide a workspace name. For workspace name, so you can say this workspace name uniquely identifies your development environment and is used when signing in. So you will type any workspace name that you want. Okay, so this I want to have a workspace name as MNC Tutorial 2020. Okay, say year 2020. So you can assign any name here. Okay, and then select now country. So I am from Philippines. So click your country here and then choose personal or organization. So for personal use, click personal, then click next. And you have here the survey. So are you new to Oracle Express? So click yes if you are new user of this application. Okay, so assuming that I am a first time user, so click yes. So do you plan to use this workspace for a university class or training? So you can click yes, then click next. Why are you requesting this service? So type a reason for you to why you are requesting this service. So for example, for training purposes. Okay, now click next. And then click accept the terms here box. Then click next. So this is now the information that you have provided. So please check first before you will click the submit request. So for your first name, your last name, your email address. So making sure that your email is correct and valid. And then your workspace name that you have created. Okay. So if all information are correct, you can now confirm by clicking submit request. Okay, workspace requested. You will receive an email to activate your workspace once this request has been approved. Okay, so let us now check your email inbox. Okay, so I have here now in my Gmail inbox. So as you can see, I received a message from Oracle. So Oracle application, action required, account request for MNC tutorial. Okay, so double click the message now. Okay, so you have here workspace requested, approved. Okay, so your workspace name, your username is your email address. Okay, and then you have to create workspace now. Click this button, create workspace, to change the password. Okay, so creating password workspace. Okay, workspace successfully created. Continue to sign in screen. So you are now required to change your password. So the password for this account must be changed. Okay, for the security purposes of your account. Okay, so you can assign now a valid password. So type valid password for your account. Then click now change password. Okay, so you are now here on Oracle Apex environment. Okay, since we will use the SQL workshop, so double click now SQL workshop. Okay, then you have options here under the SQL workshop. So you have object browser, SQL commands, SQL scripts. Since we will use SQL command, so double click this tab. Okay, so this is now your SQL commands environment. So you are now ready to type SQL commands. Okay, so thank you. I hope that this video will help. Okay, see you on my next video.